Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to try to show you the tutorial how to change the red background from your picture with the other background that have a shiny effects or other unique background. So we need to combine these two applications. The first application is Instagram and the next application is our photo library. So first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram application. And the next thing we need to do is just go open the story section. You just need to go click it. And we need to access the new background that you want to have. So let's say here I would like to have this shiny background. And I would like to make this background fulfilling all of this screen. Or if you don't want to have this all screen, you just need to adjust into the specific size that you want. So the next thing we need to do is just go back into your home screen and open your photo library. I already have like several picture that have a red background on it. I have this one, this, and this. So for today I would like to remove this background, the red background, and I would like to change from the previous background that we already add on Instagram. So the thing we need to do is just go tap the body area and then hold it until there will be a flash moving. And now we just need to go click copy, and we need to go back home and open our Instagram application. And then we just need to go click this alphabet or text symbols and then just tap it. Go click paste, and we already have this. Next thing we need to do is adjusting the position as well as the size by pinch with two of your finger. And right after that, go click these three small dots and save. Now whenever it's already saved, we're back into our home screen and we need to open the photo library, and then we just need to open just previous picture that we just saved from the Instagram, and we need to edit it by go click edit and crop into the specific area. We want to remove this gray part, so we need to take this part only, and then whenever you got them, you just need to go click done. And here is the result. So that is the way how to remove or change the red background from your picture into the other background only with the combination between Instagram and photo library. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.